Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can create a user login with the using session. So now let's start. So first of all, we will create a database. The user tables. So first of all, we have to start our server. We have started the server. Now we will open the PHP MyAdmin localhost PHP MyAdmin. Now we will create a database. Demo login. Okay. Now create a table. Users. Okay. 6 columns. I need six columns. First of all, the ID. And it's auto incremented. Okay, now the name varchar 50 and email, it's also varchar 50. Password varchar 50, name, city varchar 50, mobile number, and also I will give it 20. Okay. Now save. So our table is created. Now we will insert some user. Let's say Raj Kumar, the name. The email is raz@gmail.com. Password I will use admin. City Delhi, and mobile number is 44444 2246810. Okay. Now we'll create another one. User Abhishek Singh, email abhishek@gmail.com. password is password. I will password no I will use 12345 city Kolkata. Mobile number I will use 95678910910. Okay. Go. So 2 rows are inserted. Okay. Now we will go to our project folder. XAMPP htdocs. You have to go into htdocs and now create a folder, your project folder. Give it any name. I will give it user login. Okay. I will create a file, connection.php. Okay, this file is for database connectivity, and I'm using Sublime for editor. And now we will create a first database connectivity. Con is equal to MySQL connect. Okay, first of all, host name is localhost and username is root and password is blank and the database name is demo login. Okay, now we'll check the connection. MySQL connect error number Okay, if it is true, then database connectivity is not established. Okay, so we will show the error message, database connection error. Okay, so now if else this database is connected successfully, we will show the message success. Okay, now create another file, index.php. Okay, include the connection.php file, require once connection.php. Okay, now we have to check the database connectivity. So localhost / user login, it's showing the success message. So our database connection is successful. So we will remove this. So because it was for only checking the database connection, no need of success message. Okay, now we will create our login form. Okay, so we will create HTML file. Okay, user login form field, form action, login process.php, and form submission method is a post type. Okay, input type text, name is equal to email, and placeholder your email. Input type password. Okay, name is equal to password, placeholder your password. Now input type submit, it is button for form submission. Submit values, submit. Okay, now check the form, and where our form is completed. Now create the login process.php. Okay, login process.php. Okay. First of all, we have to include the require once connection.php for database connectivity. Email is equal to $_post, and field name is email. So by this we will get the data from form. Okay, because we are using post method here, so we are using $_post. And now we have to get the password. Password is equal to $_post password. Okay. Now create a SQL query. Select asterisk from users where email to email and password equal to dollar password. Okay, dollar result equal to MySQL query. First parameter is our connection. Okay, the connection is coming from the connection.php file. We have included it there. Okay, so we'll pass first parameter and connection and then our SQL. Okay, now we'll check the result rows count. Okay, dollar count rows. MySQL num rows. Okay, result echo dollar count rows. Now let's run the project. Here the Raj at their gmail.com, so copy the Raj at post here and admin pass, but first I will use the wrong password. Have entered 00000. It's showing 0 column. Okay, now we'll enter the correct password. It is admin. Okay, admin. Now it's showing 1. So it means they have found the one user rows. Okay, so now for login we will check count rows is equal to 1 or not. Okay, if count rows is equal to 1, then we will create a session. Okay, so creating session we will use $_session variable. Okay, it is array type and we will use email. Okay, we will give an email, so we will store the email into $session email. Okay, for using session we have to always declare in the start of the script session start method. Okay, it is must compulsory to declare in the start in the script. Okay, otherwise the session will not work in your script. Okay, now we will put the other details of user in the session. Okay, $_session and name. So where we name we have to get the name from the database. So here we have a result $row is equal to MySQL fetch associative $result. Basically this is our associative array. This will return a single row, and now we will use this row to get the data, and we will put the name. Okay, because our database name is and name, email, password, city, mobile number. Okay, and now we will use the other detail, that is mobile. Okay, $row mobile number. I think mobile. Okay, right. Okay. Now redirect the page. For redirection we use the header location. We will redirect this to profile.php page. If user row is not is exist, so the error message echo message password or email id is wrong. Okay. Now create the profile page. Profile. First we have to declare the session start method. I have to fetch the detail from the session. We will check the session is available or not. If $_session email, we will check just single session if is it set or not. Okay, if is set session variable. Okay, email session variable and not set. Okay, we will set if it's not set email variable, then redirect to login page. Location index.php. Okay, echo name $_session name $email $_session email mobile $_session mobile. Okay, so we have fetched the session data. Now we will create a HTML page user profile. Now we will show the user details. Bold user name will print the name variable here. Okay, now we will just copy this line and paste email, just print the email, and now copy email mobile number. Okay, so now let's start check the our Raj and the password is admin. So now you can see it is redirect to profile page. Okay, it is redirect to profile page and it's printed the details that I have included in the session variable. So you can see the mobile number of Rajkumar is this, and the email ID of this, and the name. Okay, everything is correct. Now we will put the logout button. Okay, so here we will put the char of logout. Okay, we will create a logout.php. Here we will session, call the method session destroy. Okay, and redirect this to location index.php. After destroying session, we will redirect this to login page. Okay, so now you can see here a logout page. Now we will create on a logout page. Okay, but I think link I have not put the link of logout.php. Okay, logout.php. Okay, now we will click on the logout. So here you can see the logout is successfully. We have to call the first session start. If you not session start in the logout page, it will not destroy the session. Okay, so check again. It started and it's work now. If we are trying to profile page, if we are entering profile page directly, it's not opening. Okay, it's redirecting to index login page. Now we will try to log in another user, Abhishek @gmail.com. Password I will use 000. Submitting password, email ID is wrong. Okay, now we will use the correct password 123456 123456. Okay, now it's opening. Okay, so you can see here the details of user is showing in the profile page. Okay, now we will going to log out it. Now it's successfully log out. If we are clicking on the back button, not going on profile page, it's redirecting to login page. So here you can see here we will created a login using profile session. So I hope you have learned how to create a login page. If you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section. Okay.